So this video is in case you've never used a spreadsheet before. You'll collect your own copy of your spreadsheet from Google Drive, or Google Classroom is where we copied it out from. And once you have written in the data for machine 1, you've asked to do several different things in task 4, along with calculating the gravitational potential energy. You'll be asked to do mean, mode, median and range. And another thing that you'll be asked to do is record that data in a spreadsheet so you can come back and use it later. So this is simply how to record data in a spreadsheet. First of all, you collect your copy from Google Drive. Next, make sure that you type your name in here. Okay, today I'm going to be Daffy Duck. Please don't use Daffy Duck, use your own name. Okay, helps us later on. So type in your name and then record your data. So you guys will have or will be using this in business either earlier this year or later this year. But essentially we just have to select the cell straight under machine 1 and type in our numbers. Now it's really important when you do type in the data that you don't type in any text. If you do, your Excel spreadsheet won't be able to read the numbers in order to plot them on a graph. So this data here might be my data for how many seconds it took for my marble to go down, or how much, whatever you're measuring, or the speed, 1.6 meters per second. I don't write 1.6 meters per second. If I do, it won't actually be able to graph the data. You have to get rid of the text. Okay, and just write the number down. The next one is 1.4, 1.2, enter, 1.3, enter, 1.2, enter. Okay. Now further down it will ask you to put in other things that you've calculated. You're going to be asked to put in some other calculations down in here, like your gravitational potential energy, the mass, the starting height. All of this is important, but you need to again make sure that you've measured it in these units that I've put here, but you don't write the units in here, you only write numbers only, no text. So say where our starting height might be 1.2 meters, if I type in 1.2 and then go meters after it, it'll say nah. We need numbers only, no text. So you have to actually change it to 1.2 and no text, and then it will accept it. Okay, make sure that you use the correct units that it says here as well, otherwise it won't work. So I'll say this, I've said this 1,000 times every year. The original mass that you record your marble in, which is grams, that is what you type here, not the number that you convert it into, which is kilograms. You need to convert it into kilograms for your gravitational potential energy, but what you actually measured is what you put in here. Please make sure you do that, otherwise it won't work properly. So that's pretty much spreadsheets. Record your data here, record your data here. Make sure that you do not type any text, only numbers. Don't worry about the kinetic energy at this point in time. If you click on there, you'll notice that this is actually a formula. If you put these incorrectly, it's actually going to calculate kinetic energy for you. So don't type in there, otherwise you'll stuff it up. But everything else you have to calculate yourself. So good luck, including, which I think is the next video, your mean, median, mode and range. You have to calculate that yourself and type it in here. So good luck. Any further questions, have a look at this video again and then go and ask your teacher. Talk to you later.